AI can now build websites in seconds, write code, design layouts, and even fix bugs automatically. Flushed so naturally, one big question is scaring developers everywhere: will AI replace web developers completely? And if you are learning web development right now, should you even continue? In this video, we'll talk about what AI can actually do, what it still can't do, and the real future of web development in the AI era. Honestly, the fear makes sense. Today, AI tools can generate full websites, write front-end code, build landing pages, debug errors, create UI designs, even explain complex code. Some tools can build simple websites faster than beginner developers. So many people think, why hire developers if AI can do it instantly? But here's what most people don't understand. Web development is not just typing code. A real developer solves problems. They understand user experience, business goals, performance, security, scalability, accessibility, client requirements. AI can generate code, but it doesn't truly understand your business, users, or long-term strategy. AI is not replacing all developers. It's replacing repetitive work. Developers who only do basic coding may struggle in the future. But developers who think creatively, build complex systems, solve business problems, understand users, will become more valuable. The future is not AI vs developers. It's AI Jor developers. Smart developers already use AI to write boilerplate code, debug faster, generate ideas, speed up development, increase productivity. AI is becoming a tool, just like Google, Stack Overflow, or frameworks once did. So, should you still learn web development in 2026? Absolutely yes. But don't just learn syntax. Learn problem solving, UI UX system design, APIS performance optimization, AI integration, communication skills. The best developers of the future won't be the ones who ignore AI. They'll be the ones who master it. AI is changing web development forever. But great developers are still irreplaceable. Because technology changes fast, but human creativity, strategy, and problem solving still matter the most. So don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, grow with it.